Good morning, friend. Welcome to back my channel. Today I will discuss on last day. We have got the answer key for the AAI exam. So in that exam, whatever with the question asked in GS and English and mathematics, so we see that question. So from question number one, so in that we see that current affair question, who was honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award for the Hospitality and Education in the March 2025. Actually, this question from current affair of from 2025. So we move this question, and now we see the history question. Who started the Khilafat Andolan? We know that the name of two brothers, Maulana Muhammad Ali and the Shaukat Ali. And after that, you will see the declination of agriculture in the 1991 because of the less what investment in the agriculture field, because that in that period you will see that liberalization, privatization, globalization, that reform have been carried out by the Dr. Manmohan Singh. That moment he was the Prime Minister of India. Oh, sorry, Finance Minister of India. So basically, Syama Shastri what contribute in the Carnatic music. Syama Shastri and Tyagaraja, and one name was also there. Three person was from the Carnatic music. What was the actually extension of the westward and eastern and western westward of the land? So actually 3200 kilometers. So now we see that name of the Ganga stream, which is basically Kaveri, is not Kaveri, not from Kaveri, Karnataka. They what originated South Indian river. Krishna also the South Indian river. Basically it originated from Mahabaleshwar, the Mahabaleshwar region. So Godavari from the Trimbakeshwar, Nasik area. So this basically Yamuna is the river is the answer here. So who was the honored with the Parvasi Bharati Samman Award in the January 2025 contribution to the medical science? Basically, it is the current affair of 2025. So now the another question is who whom the executive power, basically executive power that is started from article 52 from the president of India. So the answer is the president of India. So now for the another question, which article we with the help of we can amend the constitution of India? So basically 368 the article of Indian, and this this is the part of what 20 part of the Indian constitution. So now we move for the another question. Basically this question belongs to current affair of 2025. We can leave this question. So now we start from reasoning. So reasoning, basically coding question first. So basically reasoning question was easy there, so we can solve very in short time frame. First question you can see that according decoding. Second question is sitting arrangement. Third one is that basically arrangement of there, and blood relation arrangement is there, arrangement, sitting arrangement, blood relation. So basically in that the reasoning section very easy, so no need to the discussion here. So after that we see the mathematical question. So in the mathematical question, basically in the reasoning question, basically sitting arrangement, coding, and the sequence is there. Basically three type of the question is there. So now we move to the mathematics. Mathematics one percentage question. Now you can see that this one is the selling price and the loss of 10%. So now we want to calculate the 10% profit. So very simple question is there. Now the diagonal of what cube. So this one is also easy question. Now move for that another question. What is the total areas, and that the walls of the room, the length and width and the height of the room they are given, and that it is a simple question that we leave the two side. One is that roof of the side, and second is the bottom of the room. So here the formula is 2 into L plus B into H. So basically the formula of the area of the four walls of a room. So another question is the athlete we will find out the speed. So very simple question is there. So now move for the another question, the ratio of the cost of the orange juice, and that. So we have given that 5:6 ratio, and another the 6:7 ratio. Just we calculate, and 5:7 is we just find out that. So Rashmi deposited 8,000 in the bank and 12% simple interest. So basically question from the simple interest, basically question from the profit and loss. So easy question. 9 year after how many the profit he will get. So just we calculate the profit of the amount he has taken, we have given from the bank. So a retailer sells the microphones over the 10% discount mark price. So given the formula, what is the actually the mark price and the CP formula? Mark price upon CP equals to profit upon discount. This is the basically formula here. Just we use this formula and get the answer. So after that we use the system. It is normally filled with the 40 minutes by the pipe. So basically a case from that the one pipe basically what fill the cistern any of the 40 minutes, and that there have been leakage in that, so it will take the 10 minutes more. So now they take the time 50 minutes. So just we calculate the how many time after that totally what come empty the tank equal to 200 minutes. So now this is a circular path for formula, in that we have to find out that after how many time basically they will meet. So very simple question is there. So just we calculate the velocity. What is the exactly velocity? The minus of 2. Why? Because that they have the running in the same direction. So we calculate that after the time. So have been given the distance and upon the velocity, and what will be the velocity equal to relative velocity is there. So a number is increased by 25% and then it is the decrease by, so when increase and decrease the funda is, we know that the same value x square upon 100, so 6.25 obvious decrease. So this one is the answer. So after that mathematics we see that the English. So in the English question, that first question is the have to what parasembler question, that have to what ABCD form. You just record that which one. So second question is parasembler. So here that the very simple question, that in modern times environment sustainable have become. So from the A will start the question. So but now the option we C comes first or B. So now see many industries have adopted. Yes, exactly A B. So option is the C, A B C. A, B, C, exactly this one is the correct. So now from third question it is a parasembler, and fourth question article, from the article, and fifth number question from, you can see that one who can walk on the ropes, तो इसे हम बोलते हैं क्या, फोमनाबोलिस्ट. Exactly this word family, this word name the फोमनाबोलिस्ट. By the time you have arrived, it means that जब आप वहाँ पहुँच जाओगे, उससे पहले की बात कर रहा है, तो इट मीन्स दैट आई विल हैव. सो दिस वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सो ubiquitous, that means assertive, that is the antonym of the word. And now bite of more than one can chew. So this one is the actually one word substitution. Idiom and phrase, error, one word substitution, and another one the spelt error, preposition. And now the impalpable, that means cannot get the sense from that. So last one is question, the weather have been unpredictable this season, making it difficult to plan other activities. It is actually we use here that we have a what, the word unpredictable this season. This then we use here the extremely, because the extremely here the adverb. So we use in this place that extremely adverb position. So now the fourth question here basically that what type of question is. So basically question from that passage. So this passage little bit moderate like that. So we solve this paragraph word passage and got the all 4 marks. So like that the non-tech exam was there. So after some time we discuss on the what was the technical question paper was there. So thank you.